Hey there, what's up and welcome back to another video. So finally I'm back with a new video and today's video is going to be about a product review. By the way, if you were wondering who's this new girl taking over this channel, then no, I'm the same old Swarnali with just a new haircut which I'm still confused about whether it is looking good on me or not. So please let me know in the comment section whether this haircut is looking good on me or not, or I should get back to my old haircut. Well, without further delay, let's get started with the video. So I have in my hand this cute little lip palette from Nykaa which was launched recently. Actually, it's been a while that I have bought this lip palette and I was thinking that I should do a review. So let's get started. The lip palette comes in a paper box like this and it is sold at a price of 7.99 rupees. I also bought the lip brush with this which is also from Nykaa. For both of this I paid a price of 888, I guess. I do not remember. I'll check and link it down in the description box. The lip palette comes in a good quality plastic box like this, and it has a transparent lid on it, and as you can see it has 9 colors which are like nudes and mauves and pinks and reds. Coming to the packaging of the lip palette, it is quite handy, very easy to carry, and yeah, you can carry it in your purse very easily. It's kind of very compact. So yeah, I like the packaging of this lip palette. Coming to the texture of the lip colors, it is soft matte and have a creamy texture, and because of that it will not dry out your lips and it will not feel heavy or irritating in your lips. So I think that's a very good thing about the lip palette. Now coming to the durability of the lip colors, they last for around 2-3 hours easily, which is very common for soft matte lipsticks. And also, like any other soft matte lipstick, it will start fading from the center of your lips once you eat something or drink something, so you need to do a retouch. Apart from that, this lip palette will not come with a lip brush, so you have to buy a lip brush separately. One major concern with the lip palette is like when you try to apply it using a lip brush, it will be kind of a bit difficult to deposit the product on your lips. So what I do is I use my fingers to deposit the product on my lips and then use this brush to sharp the outer lines of my lips. So that way it makes it easier to apply the lipstick. So let's get started with the lip and hand swatches. Since the lip palette doesn't have a separate name for each and every color, I'm going to number them from 1 to 9, starting from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So let's get started.
For my holy self there, please God, give them strength. Please God. Please God.
So that was about the all 9 swatches. Coming to the final verdict of the lip palette, This can be a really good deal for someone who loves to play with different mix and match of lip colors, and also for college going girls, they are getting all the 9 colors in just for 7.99 rupees. So this is a really steal deal for them. Having said that, if you are someone who is more into dry matte liquid lipsticks, then I don't think so you will love this palette much, so you can stay away from this. So if we disregard the facts that it does not come with a lip brush, and also it needs a bit of hard work to apply on your lips, then I think this lip palette can be a steal deal. So that's all for today's video, guys. If you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from my channel. With that note, thanks for watching and take care. Bye.